both YouTubers. It's a beautiful day today after a heavy rain. It's a good day to make a video today. Okay, today I've got some AC disconnect tools with me today, and I'm going to be showing you how to remove the AC line with one of these AC tools. Okay, and this is the way it comes on most of these lines right here. This is like a guard or a clip. You can call it a clip. And what this does, it just holds it on here, just like a clamp. That's all it is. So in order to remove this hose, and this is an example, it's cut off on the end right here. So in order to remove this hose, first thing you do is remove this clip, and then you go to one of these AC disconnect tools, and I got different sizes. There are 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, and 3/4. So what I'm going to do is remove this clip first, and then come back here and find the right one that'll fit the hose and show you how it works. Okay, I happened to find one that fits. This one is a 5/8, and I've already removed the clamp on this right here. I got it over here to the side. This slides right off. Okay, I put it over to the side right here. This goes just like this, and it slides, this piece right here on the inside, it slides into the spring. These hoses have springs on them, and this will push it out. And what you have to do is put it right through there like that. I don't know if you can see that. And then push this way with it, and then what it'll do, it'll disconnect it from this other hose since it's spring loaded. So what I'm going to have to do is put the camera down and pull on it to get it loose. Okay, I kind of tightened up on it just a little bit to give you a better understanding of how it works. Okay, you can see right there, I got this side all the way in, pushed in, and it's done come loose just a little bit right here, and you just keep pushing on it just like that. Let's see if I can get a better grip on it. But you pull on it like that, just like that. There it goes. You just pull on it like that, and it'll snap right off, just like that. That easy. So you see the spring that's in it right there. This part right here on the inside, I'm gonna open this up to show you. This part right here, let's see if I can get it on open. Okay, it's spring loaded, this is, but the inside part right there is what you push inside, and what that does is that separates the spring right there and makes it open. I don't know if you can see that, this side right here. So that's what you put around this part right here, and then you push it that way, and it'll slide right off. So that's how easy this was to work. So that came off pretty easy right there, and I can show you how it goes back in. It's got a spring in it just like this. If you want to put it back together after doing whatever you need to do, it's got washers in it too. All you have to do is just push this back in like this, and you hear that snap right there. It's in there. It snapped right back in like it should, like it was supposed to. So that's how that works. Pretty simple, easy as 1, 2, 3. And that's how AC disconnect 2 works.